Welcome back. Now that you have done the formatting, you now want to make sure that you edit anything that you want to finalize in your manuscript. Now please note, you should have already proofread as well as grammar read your document before you upload to Kindle Create. Kindle Create does not have a spell checker or grammar check. So once again, that should be done before you put your document into the software. Now what you're going to do is you're going to be using the formatting side, and you can scroll through your document as you would any word processing software. So what you'll be doing is you'll be making changes to make your document look consistent. You can place your cursor inside of the text. You can then make space where you need to make it, and you can make all of your paragraphs consistent in the way that you want to make them. And we're going to need to make those kinds of changes in each and every one of our chapters. And once we've done that, we're going to want to click Save inside of Kindle Create. Now there is one more factor to note. If you were to go to any of your text, as you would any word processing software, and you were to right-click that text, you would not see a place for you to be able to insert your hyperlink. That means then that your hyperlinks will need to be part of the document when you upload it or import it into the Kindle Create software. You will not be able to do that inside the software. You'll only be able to do that before the document is placed in. So once you've done the edits in all of your chapters, you've done the formatting and elements, you can then click Save. Okay, so with that, thanks, and I will see you in another video.